Hi guys, it's Sam from Intrinsic Dev. Just wanted to explain a little more about the issue we've discovered in the latest ELAN firmwares, that's builds 8.5.2 to 8.5.18 after installing the ELAN Dante IPD driver. As an example, we're running our Apple TV driver. We're using it here as it's an advanced driver. It's easy to demonstrate and highlight the issue we've seen with the ELAN Dante IPD driver. But this issue may affect any other driver that uses features like MDNS. As you can see in the trace, we've got the Apple TV comm device running. It's currently performing MDNS scans. It's looking for Apple TVs, checking for IPs, port numbers, etc. Just to give you a bit of information as to what's actually going on here. We can see this line here has socket multicast in it. It's just disappeared. There's another one, socket multicast. So that's every 15 seconds we run this multicast discovery. It gets a bunch of MDNS replies from devices on the network that are not Apple TVs. It then gets a handful of replies that might be Apple TVs, and then the driver goes off and processes which ones are actually valid. So every 15 seconds, multicast scan, and we're going to find a couple of Apple TVs. And then it does it again. There we go. Finds more Apple TVs, so on and so forth. So this is what's happening in the background of the driver every 15 seconds. And you can see, regular as clockwork, we're discovering Apple TVs. Now I'm going to add in the ELAN Dante IPD driver. ELAN IPD multi-chassis. And there we go, the next scan is started, connecting socket multicast. And we're no longer discovering Apple TVs. The MDNS traffic coming into the driver is being impacted by the presence of the Dante driver. So any driver that's reliant on MDNS network traffic may be impacted by the use of the ELAN Dante IPD driver in your system. And we can see here the driver has now performed a couple of scans, and the same sort of traffic isn't coming back into the driver. You'll note that during the demonstration I didn't make any adjustment to the Apple TV driver. I simply added the ELAN IPD driver to the system. I hope this clears up any issues you guys might be seeing in the field with systems running the ELAN IPD. Thanks for watching.